So we'll take the green right here, and we are just going to put it somewhere in the middle. So around the middle there, we'll take the 10 of spades, and if I just give the card a little, it changes to the queen. So I'll be showing you how to do that. It's called the ShapeShifter. Basically, you want to control the card second from the top, and what I did was I did the cover pass just like that. I'll do a tutorial on that in the future, but make sure it's second from the top or whatnot. We take the 10 and we get a pinky break over the card. So we take the top card, and this is the spectator's card right here. We get a pinky break over it, very simple, and we put both of them on top, so it's like this. So then you want to grab them both like this, where the numbers or pips aren't, and you just use these two fingers and sort of snap the card. This finger's going to flick like this, and that will result in a flipping motion. So the thumb's just there to sort of guide the card and get it to flick faster. So that's pretty much how you do it. And what I like to do is after doing it, you don't want to hold the card like this. So you want to hold it at the tips of your fingers like this, and don't squeeze too hard here, and then it'll flip. So that's the tutorial, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure to comment, like and subscribe.